Hey there, all you aspiring photographers and videographers. Now, are you tired of looking like a complete amateur every time you pick your camera up? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you what you need to do. It's a really simple trick, and it's going to have everybody thinking that you're an absolute seasoned pro. That's right, in no time at all. This is what you need to do. First things first, let's put an end to the chicken wing. You know what I mean? The people that take pictures like this, you know, arms sticking out the side like they're about to take flight. Not only does it make you look like you're about to topple over, but it's also incredibly unstable. I mean, to be honest, nobody wants to look like a flapping chicken while they're trying to capture the perfect shot. And as far as the BBC drama method, well, let's say it's not exactly the pinnacle of modern camera techniques. With those ancient cameras and the unwieldy hammerhead flashes that they have out here, it's a wonder anybody can even see what they're shooting. And don't even get me started on the extras with their hands all in the wrong places, holding the camera like this, nodding, bobbling their heads up and down as they struggle to balance the lens. What are they taking a picture of? Somebody on a pogo stick? It's like they're trying to perform a magic trick with telepathy or something. How are you going to take a picture like that? Absolutely impossible. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the solution. And this solution is going to have you oozing professionalism in no time. Forget flailing arms out here or the ancient camera struggles. You see, it's all about the pro method. So picture this. One hand on the right hand grip, trigger finger poised over the shutter button. The left hand cradling the camera underneath here. Expert precision with the thumb and the forefinger ready to work that lens like a maestro. But how are you going to make sure that the camera stays stiller than the Mona Lisa when you press the shutter? Well, that's where these come in, because I mean, instead of chicken wings, they're the perfect grip. You see, let them come down here and you've got a stable base. You've got to firm up your elbows. What you need to do is kind of form your own little makeshift 3-point tripod. Stick them in here. You do that, and already, you know, you're going to be working out what's happening, right? We've got the right hand here, the left hand underneath here, and the elbows sticking in tight to the chest. And suddenly, look, rigid. You can feel like you can move at the hips, and the whole thing, arms, hands, they all move together, lock together, feel solid. Nothing is moving. So take a look again, photographers, all holding the camera in different ways. You've got the ones out here and the ones here. Let's be honest, you know, one look at them and you know that they don't really know what they're doing. So you are going to look like the professional. You adopt this new way to hold the camera, this new technique. Do it right from the very start, and you're going to look like a seasoned snapper when you've got your hand under there and your arms in here. You want to shoot like a pro, don't you? Of course you do. Then look like a pro. And that starts with holding your camera properly. Hey, it's that simple, folks. With this technique, nobody's ever going to suspect that you just picked up your camera yesterday. You'll exude an air of confidence and capability that's going to have everybody around you clamoring to know your secrets. Say goodbye to looking like a newbie and say hello to the respect and admiration of your peers. That's right, you're going to be the envy of every budding photographer and videographer out there. Now, there you have it. You know what I'm going to say? I don't do these videos for likes, but if you did like it, then like it. And the BBC drama look out the window. Embrace the pro method. It's a game changer, and soon enough you're going to have the whole world thinking you're the next level Ansel Adams, maybe even a Steven Spielberg. Hope that was helpful. You're welcome.